dog.
Okay. Behind the scenes, Batwoman taking off with a sausage.
Alright, we're gonna wash it.
This is way more difficult than it should be.
Set it down right now.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Set it down.
I want to take a still shot of this.
Set it down.
It's the most awkward
Oh my
thing
God.
ever.
Sausage away! Sausage! There you go. That was a good one. You gotta go higher. Fine. We only need one take on that one, right?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
No. Very sweet.
I'm really not though. But thank you for offering. Wait, do it. Do it again. Do it again. I won't laugh. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. There's gotta be plenty on there, right?
Duck if I'm getting too close, okay?
Alright. That'll be cool.
Is that good?
Yeah, do it again.